Your clinician may have already set your mask for you, which means you should have little or no adjustment to make. When fitting your mask at home, remember to remove the elbow first by pressing the side tabs and pulling away from the mask. Connect the elbow to your device's air tubing. With both lower headgear straps released, hold the mask against your face and pull the headgear over your head. Bring the lower straps below your ears and loop the headgear into the lower hooks of the mask frame. If needed, unfasten the Velcro and pull the upper headgear straps evenly until they are comfortable. Then, if necessary, repeat this step with the lower headgear straps. Attach the combined elbow and air tubing to the mask and turn on your device. Lie down, check for comfort and leak, and adjust the headgear straps if necessary.